Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can successfully transfer cryptocurrency from one centralized exchange such as bybit to another centralized exchange such as binance. Okay, and for today's crypto transfer, what we're going to be transferring today is the bnb. Now note that all the procedures I'm going to be using in transferring BNB from this Bybit exchange to Binance exchange is the same procedure if you are transferring USDT, BTC, or any other crypto asset. All right, so let's get started. So before I proceed, I want to tell you that this is part of the videos that I made in dedication to what I call making you confident while using Binance or Bybit. So if you are looking forward to learn a lot on how to use Binance and Bybit confidently, please I urge you to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel so you'll be seeing the upcoming video which I'll be dropping this same week. So let us proceed. So in this case, I'm trying to send BNB from Bybit exchange to Binance exchange. So that means that Binance here is the receiving side while Bybit is the sending side. So for us to send these crypto assets, the first thing I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to head over to the receiving side, which is the Binance. So when I head over to Binance, I'm going to come over to this place that they wrote wallet. Okay, so when I click on wallet, wallet is just like my asset. So I'll click on wallet. Then what do I want to do in my wallet? What I want to do is that I want to deposit a crypto. Okay, so I'm going to click on this side they wrote deposit. So when I click on deposit, now they will be asking me, this is where I choose the crypto I want to deposit. Okay, so let's assume that what I want to deposit is USDT. I'll search for USDT. If it's Bitcoin, I'll search for Bitcoin. So I'm going to search for my crypto of choice here, which is BNB, although you can see it in the history because I just deposited BNB. So I'm going to click on BNB. So when I click on BNB, it will now tell me to choose the network on which I want to send this BNB. All right, so I want to send this BNB in a network called BNB Smart Chain. All right, so I'm sending BNB to a BNB Smart Chain wallet, and then what I'm saying is a BNB coin. So when I do this, I will see this pop out showing me the network I chose and the address. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing right now is that I'm going to click to copy this address. Then I will now head over to Bybit where I'm sending the crypto from. So this is Bybit. So just like the way we clicked on the wallet section of the Binance section, here we're going to be clicking on asset section. So I'm going to click on asset. Asset is just like my wallet also. Okay, so when I click on the asset, what do I want to do? I want to withdraw. This time around I want to withdraw BNB out of Bybit. Remember that when we clicked on Binance, what we clicked on was on deposit because we wanted to receive it. We clicked on this for the Binance. So in this case we want to withdraw. So I'll click on the withdrawal here. So then it will pop out for me to choose the crypto I want to withdraw. So I'm going to click on this BNB because that's what I want to withdraw. So now this first section here is where I'm going to put the address to the wallet I'm sending this coin to. Remember that I copied this address here. Okay, so I'm going to click to copy it again, and then I'll come over to this point, and then I'm going to paste what I just copied. Then this part they said network, so I'm going to click, and then I'm going to choose this network. This is BSC. This is BSC means BNB Smart Chain, as you saw on the other side. So this is it, BNB Smart Chain, BSC. Okay, so I'm going to click on the BSC you see here. So when I click on it, so I'm going to enter the amount of money that I want to withdraw. So I'm going to click on max because I want to send everything out. And when I do that, it will show me my withdrawal fee, which is 0.0006, which is still fair. Then I'll click on withdraw. So when I click on withdraw, it will show me the summary of the transaction. So I'll click on confirm. So when I click on confirm, I'll be prompted to do my security verification, which I will just pause this video right now to do. So after entering my password, so I'm going to click to confirm this transaction. Then you see that the withdrawal has been submitted. So within a minute, if I check on my Binance, you will see that this crypto will successfully be deposited into my wallet. And you can see that after refreshing our wallet, you can see that the crypto has been successfully deposited into our Binance wallet. So when we click on the wallet section now to see our assets, now you will see that we have $12 in our asset. So that is how to successfully transfer crypto from one exchange to another.